Here we are at the Plains Airsoft Arena. I'm in the shooting lane here. I just wanted to show everybody, I had a video on this, but we are at the 100-foot mark, so everybody can see where we're at. And we're going to be shooting that. It's a DE UMP M89 at our targets. We're going to do various ranges and see how everything works out. Okay, we're going to start out. I'm going to zoom the camera in. Try and get there. There, it's pretty close. It's very hard to see. It's a very low light in here. I'm going to stand at 100 feet and shoot and see how I do. Might have to wind the mag a little bit to get see how we're doing. And I'm not even sure if I can see the BBs from here or not at 100 feet. And firing. Looks like I'm hitting no problem at 100 feet. A little hard to see the BBs in here with the lights subdued like they are, but do a couple more shots here. Okay, looks like it's working good. We're going to move back to 150 feet. Just so you can see, we're at the 125-foot mark, not the 150-foot mark. We're going to get you back in here in position, and we're going to zoom out. Very hard to see. See if we can catch some shots hitting there. Okay, wind the mag, and away we go. I have to aim, they're hopping up a little bit. Didn't realize that until I started looking. 125 feet, they are hopping up a little bit on me, according to the sights. So let's try this again, see how we do. Okay, looks like we're doing good at 125. I'm going to give it a shot at 150, just see how we do. Okay, here we are. We are back at 150 feet. And it is going to be very hard to see the BBs. You just have to listen for the noise when it hits and hope that I can hit it. Up, left the gun up here. Hopefully you bring the gun back with you. Wind the mag a little bit, and let's give it a shot. I am getting close to the pan, but they are dropping and going all over the place. So max range might be 125 feet, but you can still hit at 150 feet. Final conclusion, just so you see, this is the DE M89 UMP. Testing at the Plains Airsoft Arena. Was shooting very well with our barrel that we purchased from Tiger Tactical. I'll put the link in there. And the hop-up and bucking and parts that I bought using Falcon .25 Bio BBs at the Plains Airsoft Arena. Thanks for watching.
What the fuck was that?